What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this foot massager right here. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, as far as what comes in the box, you will get, of course, the massager itself. You're gonna get the power adapter, a set of socks. You get 2 cooling pads here, which you put in the freezer to get nice and frozen. And I'll show you how these work in here in just a second. And then of course, you get your instructions as well. Now, before we get started, there are some things to note here. You can see these zippers on each side. That's because you can take this outer section off to go ahead and clean it. There's also 2 pockets right here. Those are for the included ice packs here. I don't have these frozen, but they simply just like go right into the pockets. Super easy to go ahead and do that if you want this to be cold. When you plug this in, it's not automatically gonna turn on. So what you wanna do is sort of tap the screen, and then that red power button will light up. You hold it in for about 3 to 4 seconds, and then it's gonna go ahead and turn on, and you can go ahead and put your feet in here, and that's kind of how I have it. Now, there are a handful of different settings here that we can change. So our massage mode, there's 4 massage modes, so that's this top button right here. So we hit that once. We're in P1, P2, P3, and P4. To go over those modes, P1 is going to be your air compression and kneading. P2 is going to be unilateral air compression and kneading. P3 is kneading only, and P4 is air compression only. So those are just super easy to go ahead and go through. The next one is heat. There's 2 different heating modes, 104 degrees Fahrenheit and 125 degrees Fahrenheit. So we hit H1 and H2, and if you're wondering, the heat is off by default, so you will have to turn it on. The next thing is your time button. This is 5-minute intervals from 5 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes. So we can set, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Really easy to go ahead and do that. Intensity level as well. So we have level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 6 total. So 6 total levels there. And then we have our vibration. So we have C1 and C2. So 2 different vibration levels. And again, it's off by default. And then we simply have our power button. So you can see how easy this is to use. You can use it with, again, those cooling pads. You can turn the heat on, but this is incredibly easy to use. Not only can you use this for your feet, but you can also use it for your legs. So there's this little pop-out base here. Press the button in and it pops out, and there's different levels. If you put it all the way back like this, you can totally use this with your legs. So again, you put your legs in, sort of just like this, and then we hit that power button, hold it in, there we go. And now we can easily just relax, and this is gonna go ahead and massage our legs. Again, multifunction, which I definitely like, and again, super easy to go ahead and use. You can also lay on a couch and use this laying down as well for your legs, which I definitely like. Now, when it's all said and done, I really like this foot massager. And you have to remember, it's not just made for your feet. You can put your legs in there, you can put your arm in there. It's incredibly easy to use, and it's very customizable. If you don't need as much kneading, you can turn it down. You have heat, you have the ice packs, like it has pretty much everything. So if you are looking for a great massager, this is one that I would definitely recommend.